Hello guys, today I will show you how to fix your camera memory getting locked. Example, now I'm using my camera Canon G9X to shot a photo of a Doraemon. And now I turn it on. Okay. And then we will see the message of a memory card locked. And if I shot a photo or video, it does not allow to shot a photo or video. To fix this, just turn off the camera and pull out the memory of the camera. Okay, and then you will see this side of the SD card or memory of the camera, and then you will see the downside here, it's locked, and just pull it up. It means that it's unlocked. Yes, just pull it up. And now I'm going to insert again in my camera. Okay, then and turn it on, and I start to shot a photo of Doraemon. Now it's allow me to shot a photo now. Okay, thank you for your watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share the video